No weights, no gym, just 5 minutes. And by the end of it, your legs will be begging for mercy. This is the fastest leg workout you'll wish you never started. Welcome to Bodyweight Training Tribe, where we turn minimal time into maximum results. This leg burner hits every part of your lower body, quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, in just one brutal round. And all you need is your body. Let's get started. The workout is structured as follows. We will do 5 exercises that consists of 40 seconds work and 20 seconds rest. 1 round in 5 minutes total. That's it. You will regret that you started. Are you ready? First up, we have jump squats. This is an explosive movement that helps build power in your quads, glutes, and calves. Vertical jump training like this has been shown to boost athletic performance and coordination. Be sure to land softly and keep your knees in line with your toes. Jump squats builds explosive power and boosts heart rate. Rest for 20 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. Next up are reverse lunges. They're easier on your knees than forward lunges and great for targeting your glutes, hamstrings, and quads. Make sure that your front foot is grounded and don't rush. Control is everything. Maintain an upright torso and step far enough back. Reverse lunges improves balance and strengthens your posterior chain.
That's what the heart is. I'm only here for the party. The sound, the vibe. I'm only here for the party. The sound, the vibe. Big bass, that's what the heart is. I'm only here.
Rest for 20 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. Now let's hold the burn with wall sits. This isometric move strengthens your quads and builds insane leg endurance. Did you know that elite skiers use wall sits to train for high-tension positions? Keep your knees at a 90-degree angle with your back flat against the wall. Wall sits targets your quads and hamstrings and are great for muscular endurance. Rest for 20 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. Don't skip your calves. Calf raises might look simple, but they're crucial for ankle stability, balance, and that aesthetic lower leg look. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lift your heels off the ground and hold for 2 seconds at the top. Lower and repeat. You can use a step for extra reach. Calf raises targets your calves and strengthens ankle stability and improves explosiveness. Rest for 20 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. Let's finish off this 5-minute leg burner with glutes bridge marches. This move lights up your glutes and hamstrings while engaging your core. It's great for fixing imbalances in your glutes and improving posture. Be sure to keep your hips lifted and don't let them drop as you march. Glutes bridge marches are great for isolating and firing up the glutes. That's it. 5 minutes of pure leg fire. No gym, no weights, and no mercy. Try this once a day for a week and tell me you don't feel stronger. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more bodyweight workouts that work.